As the world marked World Press Freedom Day this past Sunday, the Gambia Press Union hosted a significant symposium at Bakadaji under the theme Honoring Our Legends, Defending Our Freedom. The gathering served as both a solemn memorial and a strategic forum for the future of Gambian media. The event brought together dozens of media professionals to reflect on the high price of truth. Participants paid moving tributes to fallen icons of the industry, most notably the late Deda Hydra, whose legacy continues to serve as a beacon for investigative journalism in the region. Speaking at the event, Gambia Press Union President Aissatou Keita reaffirmed the union's unwavering stance on reporter safety. She renewed her office's commitment to protecting and safeguarding the rights of journalists, ensuring they can execute their duties without fear of reprisal or harassment.
Today, we also honor the courage, sacrifice, and resilience of journalists who have dedicated their lives to truth, accountability, and public service, and the indispensable role of the media in democratic societies. In the Gambia, we are observing this day under the theme, Honoring Our Legends, Defending Our Freedom, to represent the sacrifices and history of the country's media landscape, which has been shaped through periods of repression, resistance, and renewal driven by journalists who often, at great personal risk, ensured that the voice of truth was not silenced. Their legacy is a powerful reminder that a free and responsible press is not a pillar of democracy, but it is also a critical force in shaping peaceful societies.
The dialogue shifted towards 21st century pressures with intensive discussions on online threats, navigating the increasing hostility faced by journalists in digital spaces. Misinformation strategies for upholding accuracy in an era of fake news. Media independence, a collective rejection of any action, political or corporate, that seeks to undermine the autonomy of the press.
Dabo has denied the charge of common assault, which carries up to 1 year prison term under the Gambia's Penal Code. On 26 February 2026, the Central Bank of the Gambia attempted to prevent journalist Yusuf Tuilo, editor of the online platform Askanwi Media, from covering the Monetary Policy Committee. No reasons were advanced, but it is believed that the governor of the bank was not happy with the journalist's line of questioning during the proceeding with the MPC press briefing in December 2025. In April 2026, Voice Out Digital, an online media news outlet, was excluded from a NAWEC event after reporting on illegal electricity connections. These two cases highlight a certain degree of intolerance to critical media reporting among public institutions.
The symposium, which saw a diverse turnout of stakeholders from various media outlets, concluded with a call to action. Organizers and participants alike expect the resolution from this gathering to reflect long-term positive impacts on the legislative and professional landscape of Gambian press freedom. Khadija Jallow reporting.